Hi, my name is Darren Williams, and this is the history of the world in Delaware. And today we are going to talk about sugar. Yep, do not take points off of this, Mr. Hockley, please. This is the best way I could find it. Sugar was a very important crop during the 1500s to the 1800s, and it's still important today because we still use it for like cakes, cookies, all pastries, and tea, which they used back in the 1500s, and all other kinds of stuff we're not supposed to eat. Sugar, it comes from a plant called the sugar cane, and the actual process of making the sugar is first the cane is shredded and mixed with water and crushed between rollers to extract the juice. Then the juice is filtered and evaporated, and then it's further purified by filtering and boiling to remove the molasses and color. The crystals of the sugar are then spun and evaporated, producing raw sugar. The sugar now has a brown color to it. Then the white sugar continues to be refined. It's washed, filtered through a carbon, and then any non-sugar ingredients are removed, and it's then refined again so it can be formed and dried. The sugar was important during the triangle trade, and the triangle trade involved the Americas, Europe, and Africa. Africa would send the slaves over to the Americas, where the slaves would grow the sugar and other crops, but most importantly the sugar, so they could send it to Europe, and Europe would send the guns and other industrial things to Africa. But in the Americas, some history on it is the slaves would sometimes work 48 hours straight to grow the crop, the sugar crop, so it wouldn't go bad before they sent it to Europe. And the another history story on it is the Victorian tea set made in Staffordshire was a three-piece kettle set, and the tea kettle which makes the tea, which holds the tea, came from China and India, and the actual sugar bowl that holds the sugar, it was made by the slaves in the Americas. Then the milk jugs, which holds the milk, came from the countryside on the railroads, and some other important things today that we still use sugar for is our cakes, cookies, and pies, stuff we're not supposed to eat that we just ate during Thanksgiving, and yep, that's pretty much it on sugar. And sugar, I'm pretty sure sugar will still be used years and years from now. And thanks for watching. I am awesome.